Richie Ruckus Beats.
What's going on YouTube? It's your boy, Richie Ruckus. We are back here today. It is Saturday, February 23rd. We got a brand new sneaker pickup. I'm going to hit you with the unboxing, the review, and the on foot. It is a pair of sneakers that I have been dying to get my hands on. I've been counting down the days until this sneaker release. And it was problematic because a lot of dope sneakers dropped today. There was a list of probably 5 to 10 sneakers that I wanted to go after, that I really had to hold back on. I didn't want to go too crazy. I didn't want to spend too much money today. But we're going to jump right into this pickup. I'm not going to take too much more of your guys' time. You guys know why you're here. You guys know the drill. Let's get a glimpse of these Warlocks. We got the Yeezy 700 in the salt colorway. As you guys know, the Yeezy 700 is by far my favorite Adidas Yeezy model. And this colorway is really no different. I know it is a subtle, simple earth tone type sneaker, and I really mess with it. You guys know I have the Salt 500s. Huge fan of them. I honestly really do wear them constantly, and this is going to be no different. I know a lot of people had the complaint that it was too plain of a sneaker, or it was like too dull, not flashy enough. I may throw a different pair of laces in here to add a little bit of pizzazz to them, but I really like the neutral, solid, one color colorway. Like I said, the Yeezy 500, they're all pretty much one neutral colorway, and I like them all. The only pair I didn't go after was the utility black. As you guys already know, I wear a lot of blue jeans, and I feel like an all black sneaker just really doesn't go well with a pair of blue jeans, no matter what the wash is. These, on the other hand, you're going to be able to wear these with pretty much any color pant. You can throw a fit together with these with any type of fit. So these will look good with any type of fit you're going for. Casual, business casual, streetwear. These will really pop and really go with anything that you're really trying to rock them with. That being said, the last Yeezy 700 that we reviewed was the V2 Static that I picked up for Nay back in December, right after Christmas. I still don't have a V2 myself, but I gotta be honest, I really prefer the V1, the OG type silhouette. I do like them zigzag lines. They really popped on the Static, but I'm more partial and feel more comfortable with the V1. Now, this is an honest review, and as you guys know, I picked these up myself. I picked these up at Lapstone Hammer this morning, and I pay for my sneakers. Nothing's seeded to me. Nothing is given to me for free, and I give you straight honesty, straight brutal honesty sometimes. And I know it seems like every sneaker I'm reviewing is I love this, or I absolutely needed it. And the reason it is that way is, again, I'm spending my money. I'm not going out and buying a pair of sneakers that I don't like, that I don't see myself rocking, that I don't absolutely love. Now, when we get into unboxing them, looking at the overall aesthetics, the on foot, how they feel on foot, how they are wearing them, how they are walking, putting 20 to 50 miles of walking on them is when I really see, how I honestly feel about a sneaker. But based off colorway and the look of a sneaker, every sneaker you get from me, I'm probably going to absolutely love the overall build, aesthetic, colorway of the sneaker, because I'm spending my own money. These aren't getting seeded, so therefore I'm not going to go waste valuable, precious money on a pair of sneakers that I don't actually like what they look like. That being said, I like to keep it 100 here. So what I'm going to say as far as an honest review is I don't like the hints of black. That is the only thing about the actual aesthetics, colorway that I don't like. The different color bottom of the sole is kind of like a mainstay with the Yeezy 700. I have the Wave Runners on right now. They have the black bottom as well. The Mauve have the gum bottom, and then the Static, I believe the Static V2s have the black bottom. So that was necessary, I guess, having a different color bottom. Maybe these would look better with gum or a white one. But the hint of black back here is the only thing I'm really not messing with. I like the 3M in the cutout, and I like how they actually left the parts that were usually splashed with another color, the mauve. These are neon yellow, and then on the Wave Runner, they obviously have that bright orange. But I feel like everything else is pretty much, you know, spot on and pretty perfect. I like the suede, I like the leather, I like the mesh. And it's pretty much the same overall build, same overall feel of every other Yeezy 700. Again, true to size sizing is how I would go. I don't recommend going up, I don't recommend going down. I think going to your true Adidas sizing is the proper way to go about when you're trying to get the proper size for these. That's pretty much it. I mean, let me know what you guys think. These might actually be my favorite 700 to drop. I'm still on the fence. We're going to actually break down a complete review of all the 700s, a complete comparison video of all the 700s that have dropped thus far. I'll probably be hitting you guys with that either Sunday or Monday. We're going to go bang out this on foot. I will be back later this week with some more videos, but until then, I'm Richie Ruckus. Peace!
The number you have reached, 911, has been changed.